Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Kaveri and I love sharing all things about fashion, beauty and honest review on products. And today we are talking about something super interesting, the Nut Habit Aloe Peanut Shampoo and Conditioner. And this hair care product claimed to be 100% natural, fresh, clean and made with kitchen style ingredients. So let's see if they really live up to the hype. So this is Nut Habit Aloe Peanut Shampoo and Conditioner, and it's made with aloe, peanut, and amla, rita, shikakai, soy, sesame extract, and other natural herbs. And it's supposed to help with hair fall, dryness, and give your hair a smooth and frizz-free finish. And the best part, it's free from sulfate, paraben, and all those harsh chemicals. So I used this combo for about few months, and let's see how it went. So now let's talk about first shampoo. So this shampoo has a mild earthy fragrance and it's really herbal, not artificial at all. And it doesn't lather too much, which is normal for natural shampoos, but it creates enough lather that clean your scalp really well. Now conditioner. So this conditioner is a creamy but not heavy, and I found its consistency is too runny, so which is I don't like about this. So now let's talk about the results. So after using for a few months, my scalp felt cleaner and my hair fall slightly reduced, and of course this aloe peanut combo really worked to control dryness, but beyond that I haven't noticed any difference. And I feel like my hair is extremely dry and frizzy, and this combo is too mild for my hair type, so I think because of this it's not working for my hair. And also if you have extremely oily hair, then you might need two washes to get that clean fresh feel. But if the quality of your hair is good and you already have a manageable hair, then you should definitely try it. I highly recommended it because it's 100% natural, so you don't need to use those chemical shampoos and conditioner. So my final word is, overall, if you are looking for a fresh, natural and gentle hair care routine, then this combo is totally worth trying. And I would highly recommend it, this combo, if you are already good manageable hair. And if you have a dry and frizzy hair like me, then it would be slightly difficult to get used to, but you can try it too. It's like giving your hair a natural detox. So that's it. I hope you found this review helpful, and if you want to try this combo, then link is in description box and comment box. And if you tried Nut Habit products, then comment below and tell me your experience. I would love to know. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more honest beauty reviews every week. See you in my next video. Bye bye.